Boom shakalaka, massive breakout for Bitcoin with very bullish news from this chart right here, and a very lucrative inverse head and shoulders for altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including some very bullish charts for Bitcoin and great news for altcoins too. Before we get into it, like the video, it helps out so much. Now, today, fear and greed at 72, down from yesterday's 75. Seems like the markets are a bit less euphoric. The overall market, though, up 4.5% today. Bitcoin at 43,744. Ethereum at 22.75, BNB at 2.33, XRP 63 cents, Solana $65, Cardano 42 cents, Dogecoin 10 cents, and Avalanche $26. And Bitcoin continuing. Look at this nice parabolic curve right here. Is this top at 44.5 the top, or will we continue to break through those levels? Worth noting, the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, is quickly approaching, could potentially be support, push the price up higher. Now, there will be corrections along the way, but zooming out, Bitcoin is far from overvalued based on historic readings when we take a look at the MVRV Z-score. Nowhere near the peak levels. As a matter of fact, just kind of towards the beginning. Launching pad, also right here, this time not different. MVRV Z-score plus fib levels right now, based on this, the 78.6 fib level would be $47,000. Potentially, that could be the next level we might be headed towards. But another couple indicators worth taking a look at every once in a while. The Pi Cycle Top indicator and then also CBBI.info. Both of these are nice indicators for the top. And you can see right here, not even close to crossing. So not looking like the top there. And also on CBBI.info right now at a 62. Generally, the tops occur in the 90s. So still on the way up. You can see a 62 is very close to this mid-cycle top we saw back in 2019, which was at 60, also the same color combination at that area. But if we take a look here, value days destroyed multiple. Bitcoin right now trading around $44,000, a level which was the absolute zenith of on-chain mania in January 2021. Interesting. Old hands were spending coins at huge profit multiples, lighting up the value days destroyed. But right now, we're at $44,000 and barely a squeak, not that nice red streak like we saw back in 2021 and 2017, 2018. What this means is that hodlers are not relinquishing their coins. They demand higher prices, which means we will likely get higher prices. Recovery progress, I just want to put this chart in there because it has 69 on there. But feels so good, doesn't it? 69 feels so good. And 69% of recovery towards the halving, wonderful. Now, if we take a look at liquidity cycles, this is the global liquidity signal and major central bank balance sheet. When this lines up with the volume indicator right here down on the bottom, these historically have signaled Bitcoin bottoms. And another chart echoing this, Bitcoin price versus global M2, seems to go in similar cycles. We see global M2 ticking up. Well, Bitcoin price might tick up as well. We have a cross of the SMA bullish crossover happening right now. This was the signal that sent Bitcoin on its tear in 2017, 2018, one of the biggest rallies ever for Bitcoin, almost 100x. It took price from a little over $200 to almost $20,000 per Bitcoin. 100x from where we are right now, oof, that would be a lot. I'm not going to do the math for you. You can do that on your own. Just add 2 zeros to the end of where it is right now. Now, if we take a look, how about this? For the past 8 weeks, Bitcoin has not closed a single weekly candle in the red because there's no red candles on this chart. It's just purple and black. But hasn't closed a single candle in the black here. Only purple, green, or purple, I guess they would be green candles as well, going for the past 8 weeks. Will this trend continue? Well, the 48.6 fib or 61.8 fib levels at this area, $48,000, kind of similar to that $47,000 area we were talking about before. That could be the next level if we were to see a mid-cycle top before the halving. That is one of the levels where Bitcoin could reach some resistance, which brings us to altcoin season. A lot of people talking about it. Is it altcoin season? Will Bitcoin stop rallying? Will Bitcoin dominance drop? All good questions. Friendly reminder right now, the altcoin season index shows that altcoins are moving at the same levels as in 2019-2020. That was before the 100x gains for most altcoins. As a matter of fact, very interesting on the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Giant inverse head and shoulders for altcoins, meaning a big rally. This is roughly, 400 billion. So that would put it to 1.5 billion top right there based on the height of the head right here. Altcoins could have a massive altcoin season incoming, especially as they break that neckline. In particular, one that we've been keeping an eye on, Dogecoin. Could it be the payment systems for X.com? Possibly. Well, we just had a chart breakout. This is one of the few oscillators that Willy Woo pointed out in his Oscillators and Degenerators article from years ago before Dogecoin did this massive rally up that everybody became a Dogecoin millionaire. Well, it looks like it could be starting yet again. You may not want to sit on this one too long. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.